Hey there! थोड़ा ज़्यादा excited हो गया ना? पर बात ही इतनी exciting है. In a world of vanilla trimmers with literally no differentiation, I finally found a one that stands out. Quite literally. You're looking at Bombay Shaving Company's state-of-the-art beard trimmer and hair clipper. This is the future of trimmers. Not because of its stand, which also doubles up as a charging port, but there are just so many reasons to love this trimmer. Let me highlight a few. First, my favorite feature and something that's quite unique is its dock charger. It looks so cool, and trust me when I say this, it can save you a lot of stress. How often have you misplaced your trimmer or kept it in a place where it gets wet or damaged? Serious problems now. This stand solves that, and the best part is it's also a charging dock which fully charges the 600 mAh lithium ion battery in under 2 hours. Just dock your trimmer, go for a run, eat your breakfast, meet your friend, do whatever. Once you come back, your trimmer will be all powered up. One charge gives you a runtime of 1.5 hours, so you can pretty much use this trimmer for at least 6 trims without recharging. This trimmer is seriously so good looking. I mean, just look at it. That's the kind of sleekness and sharpness my girlfriend has an eye for. This trimmer is IPX6 compliant, which means if water is accidentally sprayed on a trimmer, it won't cause any damage. Pretty useful for a guy like me. But don't just go by its compact design and good looks. This is a true workhorse. It helps you multitask like a dream. So if you noticed, this product is called beard trimmer and hair clipper because it can do both. Don't feel like going to a salon for a haircut? Don't worry, you can easily use this trimmer on your scalp. But of course, the biggest use case is to give you your desired beard look with its precision stainless steel T-blades and 4 comb attachments. Let me show you how. There, all done. Hello handsome, what a head turner you're gonna be. And before you head out to impress your lady friend or your colleagues at work, use this brush and oil to clean and maintain your trimmer. Give it back the love it's giving you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get yourself this baby from Bombay Shaving Company. And if you have already bought it, congratulations, you made a great choice. Now just use your creativity and get whatever look you fancy. Have fun because it's your time to groom and shine.